How to create landing page in Framer. In this video, I'll show you how to create a high converting landing page using Framer.
So to get started, Framer is a no-code tool that lets you design websites visually. Unlike other platforms, it gives you a real-time previews, easy animations, and a modern look. To begin, log into your Framer account and click on New Project. After that, you may choose a template if you want a head start, or you can also start from scratch. Now use the left panel to drag and drop elements like text, images, and buttons. For example, let's click on this pages right here and then drag this page here, or you may also click on Add Page. Framer makes it easy to adjust padding, layout, and mobile responsiveness with visual tools. For your headline, you can use clear value-driven text like Start Your Side Hustle Today, then add a subheading and a call to action button like Get Access Now. For example, in this page, I have here my headline, which is the landing page. I can always change this text to whatever I want. And then here, I also have my CTA, which is also a button that says Get Started. You can even add animations or scroll effects without touching any code. Once done, click on Publish and choose a custom domain or use Framer's free link. What makes Framer powerful is how fast you can test and change layouts, especially for landing pages meant to convert. And that's how you create a landing page in Framer.